What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to review the Fortune miner. Okay guys, so if you've been following my YouTube channel for a while, you already know that I'm not a fan of miners. Okay, I'm just not a fan of miners because they don't have a fixed APR, and I like the fixed APR so I can build my spreadsheets and do my calculations and estimate how long it's going to take me to ROI. That's why I don't like miners, because the APR is not fixed. So as you can see right here, it says up to, well, it shows you 3.33, but it's up to 3.33. So it depends on how you play the game. Okay guys, so if you invest and compound more often, okay, so if you follow the pizza strategy, okay, then you will get close to 3% or up to 3.33%. But if you're the type of person just withdraw, then your daily APR will go from 3.33% all the way to 0.1%. Okay guys, so essentially the daily APR will depend on how you're going to play the game. Okay guys, in today's video I am going to make a live deposit, even though I don't like miners. You know, this one I'm going to roll with because this one belongs to the Fortune Hunters ecosystem, guys. And as you might already know, I am in the Mischief of Fortune. I am in the Farm of Fortune, and I decided to, show my love and support to the team and make this tutorial video so people can understand more about this project if you don't know so. Okay, so what is the Fortune miner? Okay guys, it's a miner where you can earn up to 3.33%. If you come over here to homepage, we'll take you to this page right here, and then from here you come over here over to the projects. We can see the current projects. Okay, the oldest one, it's, if I'm not mistaken, the Cake of Fortune is like 260 or 70 days, and then you got the Elk of Fortune, you got the Farm of Fortune, 140 days I think, and then you have the Mischief of Fortune, probably 50-55 days, and now the Farm of the Fortune miner. Okay guys, was launched on the 24th. Okay, so it's 2 days old. Okay, as you can see right here, launch date 24th of February 2023. Okay, and over here we got the smart contract analytics, etc. Okay guys, so it's on Binance Smart Chain standard. Okay, so the daily APR goes up to 3%, okay, from 0.1% all the way to 3.33% is variable based on miners worth and also how you're going to play the system. And they have one referral system, so for whoever joins the platform under your referral link, you will get a referral commission. Over here is where you find that referral link. Once you make a live deposit, okay, you will your referral link will be activated. You click over here, copy, share with family, friends, social media. Whoever joins the platform under your referral link, you will get that referral commission. Right, so what makes the Fortune miner different than the other miners? Okay, this ecosystem has something different. It's built different, okay, because if you recall, like 6 months ago, there were like miners coming out every single day, okay, and yeah, Cake of Fortune came out too, and all the other miners are gone. Cake of Fortune still here, Elk of Fortune still here. Okay guys, so that shows us something, right? So what is the TFM to be short, okay, or the Fortune miner? Okay, it's a BNB miner with a major difference between it and other miners being the fact that a portion of every deposit is taken to be used in the pools to earn yields, okay, where later the dividends are used to inject back into the TVL. Okay guys, so they are using external revenue, okay, to pump the smart contract when needed. Okay, if the smart contract doesn't need to be pumped, okay, that yield's going to be compound to generate more yields. Okay, and this maintains a stable TVL that helps with the longevity of the project and keeps paying everyone who is invested in it. Okay, hence the Cake of Fortune and Elk of Fortune being live for more than 200 125 days because of this external revenue. So whenever the TVL needs to be pumped, they go to these pools, okay, they cash out a little bit from these pools to pump the smart contract so investors can get paid and we all can continue playing the game. Okay, simple as that. Okay, so the tax structure. So what is the tax structure? So there is no tax for investments or deposits. Okay, zero tax on investments or deposits or even claims. Okay, every time you invest, you pay 0% tax. Every time you deposit is 0% tax, and every time you claim, you pay 0% tax. So investing or deposit is the same thing, guys. So I mean to say investing or claiming. Okay, 0% tax. So you will get everything. So if you see 1 BNB in rewards, you will receive 1 BNB in rewards in your wallets. Although there is no tax on deposits, 35% of every deposit is taken from the TVL. Okay, it's taken from the TVL, and where this 30% goes to, they go to the investment pools, okay, to generate yield. That's why they are able to sustain this long, because of this external revenue. It's the same system as the Farm of Fortune has, Mischief of Fortune has, and all the other projects. Okay, they are using the same system. Okay, and down here we can see a breakdown where the funds go to. So every time you invest, so let's say you invest 100 BNB, just to make it simple, okay? 65 BNB will stay in the TVL, and then the 35 BNB will go to the following, okay? 10% goes to the 4 pools. 10% goes to develop the TFM pools and generate yields for the project. 5% goes directly into the 4th smart contracts. Okay, 5% goes to Fortune Hunters Treasury. 5% goes to legal wallet for legal expenses related to building the Fortune Hunters ecosystem. Okay, guys, as you can see right here, you got to break down where the funds go to. Okay, and now over here we have the features about these projects. Okay, what make this project unique? Okay, I'm really sorry, but this video is going to be a bit long, but at least you will have a better understanding how everything works. Okay, so we have a few unique features. Okay, so we have the daily lotto. Okay, so every time you compound or deposit a minimum of 0.01 BNB, a user gets 1 ticket for random daily lotto. Lotto rewards are paid in miners, okay? And they also have a reward for the highest daily depositor, okay? Every day there is a Lotto to reward the daily highest deposit. Lotto rewards are paid in miners, okay? So you will not get the rewards in your wallet. So if you scroll down, you can see the rewards right here. 4.3 BNB, 4.3 BNB. You will not receive 4.3 BNB in your wallet, okay? You will receive those rewards in your miners, So you will have more miners, okay? So if 1 BNB is worth 275, so you will have to multiply 275 by 433, and you'll get the amount of miners over here in your total miners. Okay, keep that in mind. And initially this project had 2 force compounds, okay, but now they changed it to 1 force compound. So before you come over here and withdraw, you will have to compound at least 1 time. If you don't compound that 1 time, you will pay a hefty 90% tax penalty, okay? And those 90% stay in the TVL, okay, guys? So you have to make at least 1 compound to avoid paying the 90% tax, okay? Plus, there is a bonus. So compound bonus. On every time there is a bonus, there is a bonus percentage. The bonus starts at 1% and can go up to a max of 10% bonus. Okay, so if you compound on day 1, you'll get 1% bonus. On day 2, you'll get another % bonus. And then if you go all the way to day 10, you will receive a 10% bonus on your compound. This bonus is added to your to the user minus on compounding. Okay, so you'll get an extra percentage of miners to your total miners. Okay, so we have the max reward accumulation. Okay, so once you got over here your reward, so your cut will be full in 48 hours. So in 48 hours you will have to take action. You either withdraw or compound. If you don't take action, you will stop earning your rewards. Okay, so you'll have 48 hours to take action. Once you take your action, you will have another 48 hours to take another action, and that's just how it goes. Okay, there is a cooldown of 24 hours period where users can't take any action. Okay, so once you take your action, you'll have to wait another 24 hours to take another action. Okay, so the minimum deposit is 0.05 BNB, and the maximum deposit currently is set to 30 BNB. So they might increase this limit, okay, over time as required. Okay, so for now it's limited to 30 BNB, as you can see right there, right? And added 5% added to supply. Upselling or claiming daily rewards, only 5% will be added back to the supply. The remaining 95% are burned, opposite to the usual miners, where 100% of the miners sold are added to the supply. This will lower inflationary levels. Okay, so this is good in regards to inflation. Okay, guys, because you know the traditional miner, when you sell, or when you sell, 100% of the tokens or the miners are added to the supply. That's why, you'll have to compound more and more and more and more to keep earning more. Otherwise, you just keep earning less and less and less. Okay, that's why I hated miners so much, because, no matter how much you compound, you're always earning more and more and more and more. Okay, guys, I was like, man, this sucks. So that's why I started hating miners, because you just have to do a lot of compounding and all that to be able to make some decent passive income. And over here we have a brief description about how miners work. I'm not going to go through it, so if you're not familiar with miners, I would highly recommend you to come over here and fully read this sentence for sentence so you can have a fully understanding about how this works. So now let's go over to the project itself. MetaMask is connected. Yes. Oh no, I have to log in again. Hold on. Okay, MetaMask is connected, and let's just refresh this and let's see if this changes. Okay, so every day we have lottery winners and highest deposits every single day. So currently the highest depositor is this guy right here, 3.4 BNB. Total participants 21. Okay, so the team, well, the community is very active, and the total tickets so far we have 273. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and make this live deposit. So I'm gonna go with 0.1 BNB. So you will get I will get probably 27.6 miners. Okay, so we're gonna go, there you go, 27.6 miners. So I'm gonna go ahead, confirm this transaction and continue the video. Okay, gas fee has been paid, so we're just waiting for the confirmation, and boom, my 27 miners are there. Okay, my I have no yields at the moment because I just started. Okay, so estimated daily yield at the moment is set to 0.0033 BNB. Okay, so currently I am at, I am earning 3.33% per day. Okay, guys, so that's worth an estimate about $1.02. Okay, so my card will be full in 47 hours, 59 minutes and 6 seconds. Okay, so I can withdraw within 24 hours. Okay, but before I make this withdrawal, as you can see right here, I cannot take any action. Okay, I'm clicking but nothing is happening. Okay, because I will have to wait 24 hours. Okay, after 24 hours I will have to make a decision. Well, after 48 hours I'll have to make a decision, but I can make a decision after 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours I can either withdraw and pay the 90% tax or compound. Obviously I am going to compound, okay, and then 24 hours later, I can either withdraw, pay no tax, or compound again to earn the extra percentage bonus. Okay, so if you scroll down, we can see, you know, the stats about the Fortune lottery. Okay, so ticket entry. So every time you compound or deposit, you will earn tickets. Okay, so now I have 10 tickets right there. Okay, you purchase tickets, 50 compounds, 40 deposit, da da da. So my chances to win right now is 3.07%. And tomorrow at this time, 1916, if I get the prize, okay, the miners will go straight to my total miners, and that's just how it goes. If you scroll further down, you can see the project details information. Okay, you can see in more details about how everything works, right? So I'm not gonna go through it because I already went through over here. But you know, again, I would highly recommend you to come over here to the home page and also, you know, get familiar with the ecosystem, because over here they explain everything, literally everything that you should know about the team. Okay, guys, so if you're not familiar with the Fortune Hunters team, I would highly recommend you to come over here to this page. Link's going to be down in the description, and get familiar with the team and also with the projects. Okay, and essentially that's it, guys. So my strategy will be, obviously, because I only deposit 0.1 BNB, okay, I'm probably going to compound 10 times, right? And then I'm going to withdraw, okay, after the 10th time, once I get the 10% bonus. Then after that, what I will do is I will withdraw, and then 50% will be redeposit. So I'll use that 50% to hire more miners, and the other 50% will stay in my wallets. Okay, guys, there are so many strategies that you can use. Okay, guys, so if you want to know more about strategies, I would recommend you to come over here to their TG and ask about strategies. People will give their own strategy because this is a strong community. Okay, guys, everybody's here to support each other. So if you're not familiar with strategies about miners, how to approach miners, come over here and ask about strategies. Okay, there are also videos about miners, how to approach miners and how to make the best of it. Okay, guys, so I'm not going to go through because everybody has their own opinion and strategy about how to approach miners. Okay, but yeah, if you want to know more about miners strategies, come over here to the TG and you learn more about it. Okay, guys, and essentially that's it, guys. That's simple. All you got to do is come over here every 24 hours, make a few clicks. It will take you probably one click, pay the MetaMask gas fee, 2 clicks, and that's it. You're good to go. Okay, it takes you about 5 minutes, if that. 5 minutes, if that. Okay, guys, and you know, a cool thing is, this is a really cool incentive, is the lottery. Okay, guys, everybody wants to win the lottery, regardless if the amount is big or small. Everybody would like to win. I would like to win, I'm not gonna lie. So 4.3 BNB, I only invested 0.1. So imagine me getting 4.3 BNB. So 4.3 BNB, so that's what, I don't have in my wallet, but yeah, that's 1,181 BNB in miners. Okay, guys, so that will I don't know how many times would multiply my investment. Okay, guys, from just 0.1. I just have to be lucky, and that's it. But the main thing is you just have to be part of the project. Okay, guys, because if you're not in it, you're definitely not going to win it. Simple as that. But yes, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Okay, guys, if you want to join under my referral link, it's cool. If not, no problem anyways. I'm just here to make this video as a tutorial, show you more about the Fortune Hunters ecosystem and about their new project. By the way, guys, let me just show you some stats. Total staked 900 BNB in just 2 days, right? Total referral BNB 7.23. Contract balance currently has 862 BNB. Okay, and over here we have my dashboard. Okay, total deposits, total withdrawn, referral rewards, and lottery rewards. Okay, and essentially that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.